2026 isn't just another year for cars, it's a full-scale revolution. Electric beasts, AI-driven luxury, and game-changers that are rewriting the rules of driving itself. And here's the shocking part. The number one car on this list doesn't just lead, it redefines the future of luxury. This is your ultimate countdown. Top 10 best cars of 2026. Let's dive in. Number 10. Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe. A statement of timeless elegance in a rapidly electrifying world. On the outside, the CLE Coupe flows like liquid metal. Long hood, sculpted sides, and aerodynamic precision. Inside, it transforms into a digital luxury cocoon, ambient lighting, a floating infotainment display, and Mercedes' latest MBUX system responding like an intelligent assistant. In a world chasing EVs, this car asks a bold question. Can combustion still feel premium in the future? Starting around the mid-luxury segment, it quietly holds its ground. Number 9. Hyundai Ioniq 9. This is Hyundai's electric vision for families. And it's a game-changer. The design is clean yet futuristic, with pixel-inspired lighting that glows like it's straight out of a sci-fi film. Inside, it feels more like a moving lounge. Flat floors, flexible seating, and a calm minimalist dashboard. With over 300 miles of estimated range and ultra-fast charging, it's built for real-world usability. Safety tech includes next-gen autonomous driving features and smart collision avoidance. And the biggest shock? It delivers all this at a price that undercuts premium rivals. Number 8. BMW i5 M60. A silent beast with a split personality. Visually aggressive, with sharp LED signatures and that illuminated kidney grille, it demands attention. Step inside, and it becomes a driver-focused command center, dominated by a curved digital display. With nearly 600 horsepower, this EV launches from 0 to 100 km/h in under 4 seconds. Handling remains pure BMW, balanced, sharp, and alive. It's loaded with adaptive driving tech and intelligent systems that learn your behavior. The real question is this the EV that finally challenges Tesla's dominance? Number 7. Tesla Model 3 Highland, 2026. Refined. Sharpened. More dangerous than ever. The exterior evolves subtly, cleaner lines, better aerodynamics. Inside, it's minimalist perfection, a steering wheel, a screen, and a fully digital ecosystem. Range and efficiency remain industry benchmarks, while Tesla's AI driving continues to evolve. The ride is quieter, smoother, more mature. It may not scream for attention, but globally, this is still the EV that defines the market. Number 6. Kia EV9 GT Line. Kia didn't follow the trend, they flipped it. Boxy, bold, and unapologetically futuristic, the EV9 looks like it belongs in the next decade. Inside, it's shockingly premium. 3 rows of tech-loaded comfort with panoramic displays. Dual motors deliver strong acceleration, while range stays competitive for its class. Advanced driver assistance and highway autonomy make long drives effortless. And then comes the twist. It offers near-luxury features at a non-luxury price. Is this the smartest SUV buy of 2026? Number 5. Toyota Land Cruiser, Hybrid 2026. The legend returns, smarter and stronger. The design stays true, rugged boxy, built like a tank. Inside, it balances durability with modern tech, screens, connectivity, but still ready for the wild. A hybrid powertrain brings efficiency without sacrificing capability. Off-road systems, crawl control, terrain modes, are now smarter than ever. It's not trying to impress with flash. It dominates with trust, reliability, and global presence. Number 4. Rivian R2. This is where the future becomes accessible. Compact, rugged, and adventure-ready, the R2 looks like it's built for explorers. Inside, it's clean, functional, and deeply tech-focused. With an expected 300-mile range and strong performance, it's practical yet exciting. Rivian software and driver tech bring innovation to a broader audience. The big question: is this the next Tesla Model Y moment? Number 3. Porsche Macan EV. Electric, but still a Porsche at heart. The design is sleek and aggressive, with signature curves that slice through the air. Inside, everything is driver-focused. Premium materials, crisp displays, zero distractions. Performance is instant and addictive. Torque hits immediately, handling feels razor-sharp. It's not just fast, it's emotional. Even in silence, it speaks to the driver. Number 2. Lucid Gravity SUV. A technological masterpiece. Smooth, futuristic design meets a spacious, almost spaceship-like interior. Massive displays, ultra-premium materials, and next-level comfort define the cabin. Lucid's engineering delivers potentially class-leading range, with performance that defies its size. Advanced safety systems and AI integration push it ahead of the curve. It's not just competing with Tesla. It's aiming to outclass it. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Spectre High Voltage. And here it is, the winner. The most insane car of 2026 isn't the fastest. It's the most transformational. From the outside, it's pure Rolls-Royce, long, elegant, commanding. But inside, it's a different universe. Starlight doors, handcrafted luxury, and a cabin so silent it feels unreal. Electric power delivers effortless acceleration. No noise, no vibration, just presence. Safety and innovation are seamless, invisible. Like the car is thinking ahead for you. And the impact? This car doesn't follow the future, it defines it. This is not just a vehicle. It's the future of luxury, reimagined. 2026 proves one thing: the future of cars isn't coming, it's already here. From affordable EV disruptors to ultra-luxury masterpieces, every car on this list is shaping what driving will become. Now tell me, which one impressed you the most? And did the Spectre deserve the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Drive State for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaped today.